Hey, a very good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Harish Bijur Bites. Harish Bijur is my name, and I am going to start posting a series of videos from today onwards, the 1st of January 2021. And here is my first YouTube video, which really looks at the deadly trends of 2021. What are the several deadly trends that you and I are going to face in the world of personal life, in the world of society at large, in business space, literally in every space that you and I live and thrive in? And therefore, here's the first one, the first deadly trend of 2021, the way I see it. What must you and I watch out for, look out for? The first trend is really the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. A sad trend really. This trend line worries me. The world is getting cleaved once again into two. The haves and the have-nots. Those who have are getting to have a lot more, and those who don't have are getting to have a lot less. Call it an impact of COVID-19. Any pandemic actually pushes a society back by decades, an economy back by decades. And COVID-19, the pandemic that has ruled all of 2020, really creates this once again. The poor get poorer, jobs vanish, salaries evaporate, increments evaporate, and cheaper substitution is the norm that you and I will see in the days ahead. Cheaper substitution at the workplace for a start. Machines will replace people in a big way if it hasn't as yet done that. And that is the first deadly trend. Machines replace people. And what's really happening is a lot of corporate organizations are going to be optimizing on costs. And optimization is about ensuring that input costs come down. And one of the key input costs that go into any business is that of labor. And people who are actually paid to do certain kinds of jobs. Routine jobs vanish, automation bites into jobs, and the new job is the automated job. So if you really ask me, the demand for the traditional workforce fizzles. So if you belong to the traditional workforce, please reinvent yourself and become the non-traditional workforce. That part of the workforce which is irreplaceable even possibly. Automation is going to bite into several jobs, and except for certain sectors. And one beautiful sector that I can think of where automation is not biting into in a big way in India is really the agriculture segment. And if you look at agri-labor, I think their jobs are the only protected jobs completely. I'm afraid I can't think of too many other categories where I can talk with similar optimism. The rich get richer because money has a habit of making more money. And the beauty of it is, as the economy revives, money diligently, intelligently, assiduously and fruitfully employed will create more money for those who have money. And therefore, the rich get richer. But the sad trend and the more difficult trend for each one of us to battle in 2021, whether you are a large business, a small business, a beauty parlor, a restaurant, a mega business which is in services space, extremely important to take care of the poor side of the business dynamics. Those of us who don't make money with our own money at this point of time might get into the retail money market, which is the virtual money market, which is to say that the mutual fund, particularly in a country like India, where it's very highly underpenetrated a category in the savings and investments in industries. So I think, we have to be very watchful of that, because a lot of money will go into the mutual funds industry, and money will again make money for the great Indian middle class. By that I mean the stock markets are going to be the harbingers of money. In any case, the stock markets seem to be the only place money is heading, whether it be for, money from overseas, whether it be money from domestic market, because bank interest rates are at pathetic lows, and the only funnel which seems to be providing some realm of hope for money invested seems to be the stock market in terms of equities, and therefore a lot of money will go in there. So money will make money for those who invest out there for a while. But the important trend is that the poor get poorer, and I think it has lessons for governments, it has lessons for banks, it has lessons for businesses, it has lessons for socially conscious individuals who look after people and who must look after people. I think banks, businesses, governments, individuals need to relist their priorities and rearrange their priorities in terms of the kind of products they take out into the market, in terms of the services they take out into the market, and importantly, what is the profit that you are trying to funnel out from the consumer. So relook that, and I think you'll do well, because only those who take care of these aspects that relate to the poor consumer will really do well in the market. The next 6 billion as a concept, the next 6 billion in a 7.8 billion population world is what is more important than the 1.8 billion of haves. And therefore, if you're a business, if you're an individual, whoever you are, if you can re-leverage your mindset to look after the poor part of the business, I think you'll do well, because the volumes lie there, and the values that you were typically depending upon in the older days from that 1.8 billion rich population of the world is going to dry up, because it's a saturated opportunity. Therefore, every business, I do believe, needs to take care of the poor portion of your market. Take your business, look at it, do a review, do a due diligence, and say that, hey guys, this is my rich business and this is my poor business. Please divide your business into 2 SBUs. Might be a great thing to do, because when you look after the poor business will look after you. If you really look at it, I think you must be totally leveraged to poor banking. Banks must re-leverage their attitude to poor banking. Marketeers must re-leverage their businesses to poor marketing. So, poor banking, poor marketing, poor distribution companies must say, I need to look at how I distribute and reach out to the poor in the hinterland of the market. Poor-led initiatives. I'm really saying that 2021 is the year where all businesses must cleave themselves into rich business and poor business. And the poor business must poor focus, and this focus of the poor focus, or the focus on the poor, must actually compete with the focus on the profit. So you have 2 businesses. One is the profit-focused business, and then there's the poor-focused business. Believe it or not, your future profits will come from the poor-focused business. So focus on the poor. And that, my dear friends, is trend 1 of Harish Bijur Bytes 2021, trend 1. And I think I'm going rustic as well. I'm not using classy digital signages, but instead I am using something called a razor prompt, which is a razor and which has a post-it pad attached to it. And I'm saying that if you have comments on this, please post it out here. Follow this channel, and of course, spread it out into the great hinterland of the world. And those of you who have very specific comments to make, either put it up here or mail me at harishbijur@hotmail.com. harishbijur@hotmail.com.